So what we have here is the AI Tech AiGotcha, which also includes $200 worth of award-winning software. So this little box allows you to capture a single image off of a composite signal through the parallel port. So it's kind of just a pile of junk. The reason I bought it is because that looks kind of familiar. Kind of looks a little bit like that maybe. But no, that's not the only reason I bought it. I was kind of interested in what the heck this thing actually was. When I first saw it, I thought it was actually supposed to be some sort of video capture device for parallel port. I was like, what the fuck? There's no way in hell that works. And I was right, it didn't work. That's not what it does. I also forgot to say it features a resolution up to 1600 by 1200. But if you're capturing video from an S-video or a composite signal, I don't think you're going to get very high quality images. So that's pretty much just a load of shit. No power adapter or batteries required. Powered by the computer. So we're going to try and get this thing to work. I got this thing actually a couple of years ago, but I never got it to work. So I'm going to try and throw it on the Pentium 3 up there with the blinding light on it. We're going to see if it works. Although this thing asks for Windows 95 and just a 386, 46 Pentium or better, 4 megs of RAM. So very basic specifications. This computer will be more than capable of handling this pile of junk. So this is what you get inside the box. Here we got the AiGotcha capture device, which is just that's not a speaker grill. I think that's just cooling, but it's just a parallel device with a composite in and composite out. Got a 5-volt in for a power supply, which the box just said we didn't need, and it has an S-video port. So we're going to see if that actually needs that power supply or not. Comes with an S-video cable. Don't care. Some software. This is probably our $200 worth of software right here. VideoCraft AI Tech Suite Edition. Sweet. Kind of dumb. We got a driver disc, or so I'm assuming so. I think this comes apart. Whoa, what's in here? Ugh. Oh. Okay. It's powered by your PC, but it is powered through your keyboard input. So you can either do PS2 or AT. We got a composite video cable here. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Well, I guess we'll see what it does. Also today we're going to be assisted by this lovely PS2 Slim running Katamari Damacy. I'm pretty unsure about this method of powering this device. I'm just going to hope this doesn't cause any damage to my motherboard. If it can get it in there. Did I? Alright. So, let's see if this will work. It appears my keyboard's working. So that's good. Also, there are no instructions on the box or in the box. So I'm going to assume they're all on this floppy disk here. Now we got our fancy schmancy Windows ME up and running. Just pop the disk in. Okay, floppy disk drive, are we not going to work? No. I don't hear any accessing. Go gadget removable side panel. Maybe. Shit. No, it's not even plugged in. That's great. In fact, the cable's not even in there, so I guess I never installed the floppy disk drive on this computer. How silly of me. So now that I've finally plugged my floppy drive in, actually I'm surprised that this computer hasn't thrown any floppy drive errors on the BIOS, because the floppy drive was actually set to 1.4 meg, and there was no floppy drive even connected to it, so it's kind of weird. Now that I think about it, I probably have the parallel port on this computer disabled too. It would also help if I had that disk back in there. Guess we're gonna copy it to the C drive. Well, it didn't like that at all. Well, I wonder if it will work. Probably not. It opens up, I guess. What does that do? Absolutely nothing. Uh-oh. I think it froze. Let's end this task. Probably should have done this on an older computer that's running 98 or 95. It probably doesn't like ME so much. Let me check to make sure my parallel port's even turned on. Well, I changed the printer mode and now it's detecting shit, so I'm guessing that might have done something. Maybe. We'll find out. Oh, look at that. Sources. AiGotcha. Let's hardware initialize failed. Oh, hello there. While I'm sitting here installing all this junk, I see this laying down in the box. Because apparently I'm blind. So I'm going to go take a look through that and see what it has to say. So I decided that doesn't like the P3 very much, so I'm going to try it out on the Micron. I'm going to shit up my Micron with this nonsense. So, let's see here, parallel port. PS2? ECP? Something? Whatever. I guess I'll try them all. We'll start with that one. Also, you notice how quiet that is. Let's see here. What did I do? The heck, a white fan? That's not normal. Well, I bought some sort of Arctic lower RPM fan, modern fan, to stick in here. 90 millimeters, or 90 millimeter fans are actually kind of hard to find for whatever stupid reason. Newegg only has like 3 models and they're all fucking jet engines. Tried one of those and that was even worse than the original fan. Went to a local computer store that deals with computer upgrades and custom computers and stuff like that. He had this one laying around. It's an old, well, not an old, it's a new Arctic fan. Low RPM. It sounds really good. This computer is nice and quiet now. So let's give that software a shot. Hopefully it installs correctly on this computer. Because I'm pretty sure that error that it throws at us at the end is the reason why it's not working. Because at least when I went to select the video source on the Pentium 3, it actually gave me an option for the AiGotcha. The first time I tried ever using this thing, it did not give me that option at all. Well, I thought that was just an issue with Windows ME. I was going to give ME -1 points, but it appears that it also causes the same error on Windows 95. So that didn't work out so well. Let's give it a shot. Wow, there's nothing in here. Oh, 19 hidden. I have not turned on hidden icons yet, for whatever reason. There we go. Look at all those DLLs. Isn't it lovely? Let's give it a shot. Select source. We got the AiGotcha. Let's turn on the PS2. And acquire. Holy shit. It did not throw an error. However, there is nothing. View the video. Oh. Oh boy, here we go. Is it actually like playing it in low frame per second, or does it just capture every time I hit the button? Oh shit. Look at that. Man, this is high frame rate video capture. No, it's whoops. Let's grab an image. Holy crap, we grabbed an image. I can change the brightness. We can select color type. No, we can just select more options. So basically, yeah, -1 for Windows ME, because this actually works. -1 point for not working with some pile of crap peripheral that you wouldn't want to use anyway. Whoops. Was that the setup button? I guess stop is set up apparently. We're going to capture something huge. Let's see what this does. So what I think this thing is doing is that the hardware on the AiGotcha itself is capturing a single image and then sending it over parallel one frame at a time. So apparently I guess it has enough memory inside the thing to hold a 1200 by 1600 image. Whoops, I did not want to hit that. So that's kind of interesting to think about. So I'm going to guess that, I don't know, maybe the 16 by 1200 images actually aren't just directly scaled up. Maybe they're actually being captured at that resolution, but then all it would just give you is just a bunch of blur. So that's kind of interesting. Although the menu screen for that is kind of boring. So I have indeed captured a gigantic image, 1200 by 1600, and it appears it does be, it's just directly scaling it. So I wonder what resolution you could have it to not do that. Yeah, that's 1:1 resolution right there with my monitor. So basically all it does is it can do 360 by 200 or 240 natively maximum. Anything above that just scales it up and makes it look horribly pixely. So basically this thing is only capable of capturing images that are worse than what you could get on a Sony Mavic, and you have to get them from a video recorder, like a home video recorder. So this is probably one of the worst ways I've seen that you can take a picture of your family, just record a video and capture it through a parallel port device that only does 360 by 240. But I don't know, maybe there's worse digital cameras out there that I'm not aware of. Mavic is it's pretty cool, but your images are pretty bottom of the barrel. Oh, I'm not a digital camera expert by any means. But yeah, I guess that's let's enhance this. Let's sharpen this. We need more sharp. Holy crap, that's disgusting. It's like one of those distorted memes. Let's enhance it once more. Let's soften it back up. Oh, after you sharpen it and soften it, it looks even worse. Let's take a new picture. So I grabbed 2 images for just in case I mess one up again. Let's try enhancing it again. Let's give it some edges, I suppose. Whoa, that's disgusting. We can undo. I should have just undid it before. So that kind of just gives you a weird filter, I guess. If you really want that. Sculpt. Let's make it a 3D. Yeah, that looks wonderful. That looks like something you'd get if your TV is broken. I don't know why anybody would ever use any of these. It's just there. I guess my mom's old video camera used to do the same sort of stuff, real time. Some sort of Sony thing. You got flip and rotate, transpose, resize, blah blah blah. Let's we can save it as an AVI, so command will save the captured image sequence to user AVI. Oh, okay, let's just put it on the desktop, I suppose. User, is it just these 2 images on an AVI? What's the frame rate gonna be? I didn't see any settings for that. Okay. So I guess in a way you could make videos. Maybe, not, no. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's install our $200 worth of software on this computer and see what kind of crap happens. That CD drive is snappy. So here's our $200 worth of software. We got Arena Design, Scene, Video Action Ed, Soundtrack. I guess that's for editing audio. Let's do Arena Design. It's got a matador and a bowl, so it must be good. New scene. What the fuck is this? What is this? Is this like some sort of Oh. Okay, let's open up an image, I suppose. WMF meta file scene. Import. So I can't do anything here. Objects. Display, create box. What is this? 3D graphics library, blah blah blah. So I can make 3D shit? Move, maybe? Angle, let's smooth it, yeah. Check that out. Now can we like export the scene as an AutoCAD DXF? What the hell is this? What does this have anything to do with capturing images? So that's a DXF file that I can't open. What the hell is this? Why is software? Z Graphics, professional 3D graphics development system. This version may only be designed, blah 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 blah. Yeah, I had enough of that. What? I'm unsure why this is on this CD. No, there's a chair. Are there any other scenes, movie, something? Can I rotate this? Modify. No, that's not what I want to do, and I'm just gonna fuck this whole thing up. Let's not save that. So, yeah, I guess. Video action editor. Ed. Untitled 1.gay. Yay. Let's, this is a gallery file, more like. Yeah, I don't know what any of this does. I'm just kind of wasting time at this point. Yeah, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I guess we got Videology 101 tutorial on CD. I don't have any... Oh, it's just a help file? What is an AVI file? As you can see, an AVI file is digital video. Well, thank you. So, is this all there is for our tutorial on Videology 101? And they fucking dump you with this 3D rendered thing? I don't get this. What the fuck is this? Why is it giving me this? Well, that's it for the AiGotcha. It gave me 3D rendering software on a Pentium. That's nice, I guess.